Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install the Trust Wallet application on your phone. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, and remember that this application is available for both Android and iOS users. But since this video is specially for the Android users, make sure that you have the Play Store on your phone and that your device is connected to the internet. So let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store on your phone. So this is what the home page looks like, where at the top you can see a search bar. Click there and then type Trust Wallet and then click on the search icon on your keyboard. There you can see the icon for this application, and right next to it you will see the install button. To download this application, simply click on install. So Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet, and with this application you can transfer, receive and store your Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies and NFTs in a safe and secure manner. Additionally, you may use Trust Wallet to access the newest apps and DeFi platforms. So wait for this application to be installed. And after the installation is complete, you can see that there is the open button right next to the icon of this application. To open this app, simply click on open. And you have now successfully downloaded and installed the Trust Wallet application on your phone. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more updates.